Most retirees believe that to make income from YouTube, it takes years or it takes thousands of subscribers. Well, it doesn't. I'm going to introduce you to something today that's going to be new. It's going to be something different from the things that you've heard. If you're new here, by the way, I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose, and we focus on ways to earn extra income during retirement. So, what if I told you that we can make two channels on YouTube, one that can start producing income for you right away? The other one kind of grows quietly and over time could possibly get you monetized and earn a long-term monthly income. Same platform, two income streams. Let me show you how. Now, before you assume that this is something real complicated, it's not. This isn't about having fancy cameras or special equipment, or it's not about being a tech wizard, and it's certainly not about needing something to go viral, a video to go viral. It's none of those things. This is about structure. And if you can understand the structure that we're going to talk about from the beginning, you remove most of the frustration that people feel when they try YouTube. So let me explain what I mean by two channels, and why retirees especially should give this a go. Try building both. There's two ways that a retiree can earn income from YouTube, and they work completely different. I call them the loud channel and the quiet channel. So most retirees can appreciate an extra income, especially if they don't have to go get a job. And what if I told you that we can start building that income using something that you already have, and it's free? Really, we can really do this. So just follow along here and I'll explain it all. Over the years, I've developed a strategy that I call the loud channel. And I call it loud because you're going to tell everyone about it. Your friends, your family, your church members, your bowling league, your bridge club. You're going to tell everyone. And that goes contrary to what all of the gurus tell you that you need to do to build a channel. And that's where the income can begin. So let me explain to you how this loud channel is different from a quiet channel and why we need to build both. Well, the loud channel, you are telling everyone to go to your channel for a specific reason. All of these friends, all of these families, you're going to explain to them that you have affiliate links on this loud channel that they can go click and go over to Amazon. Where's everyone buy things from? Amazon. So by starting this loud channel, you're going to have links that if Amazon will give you to lead people to Amazon to buy. Guys, the great thing about this is it starts earning you money right away. You become an affiliate with Amazon, and we can go into that with other videos, but understand the structure. You're starting a channel that you're telling everyone about, and the purpose is you're putting links on those channels to guide them to Amazon to buy whatever they buy. Coffee, TVs, computers, anything they buy, Amazon will pay you a commission. Now, how that loud channel differs from a quiet channel. Well, the quiet channel is what all of the gurus out there are telling you about. And that is, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Let the YouTube algorithm locate and find your audience for you. That's a completely different scenario. That channel is going to build Subscribers over time is going to build a following, and there's a big difference here. That one's purpose is not just affiliate links. You can put affiliate links on it, but the quiet channel is about your passion. And you've heard me talk about it, whether it's woodworking or gardening. You go and start a quiet channel about your gardening or about your flower gardens or whatever that passion is. But that's your quiet channel. That's not the one that you're focusing on to earn you some quick money. That's the loud channel. So understand the difference. We're starting a loud channel to bring in income quickly, and we're going to start a quiet channel that will build over time, and you'll get monetized with YouTube and you'll earn a monthly income. Now, listen, this doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to build both channels overnight. You can start this small and you can move this at your own pace. But understand, we want to start a loud channel, tell everyone, get them coming to your channel for the purpose of linking over to Amazon, making purchases that you're going to earn a commission on. So you're giving yourself two opportunities to have an income stream on one platform. And guys, it's free. You're already here. You're watching me. You've got an account with YouTube. It's free. You can start this right away, both loud and quiet, and you can start earning that income, and you're putting away a income stream, or you're developing an income stream for later. So that's how you build stability in retirement. So I'd like to know, if you're going to start this today, which one would you find the most interesting to build first? That loud channel to get an income stream coming right away, or the quiet channel that will build income over a period of time? It's easy to do both, but there's no rush. You can build either one. Which one interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. And I'll tell you what, next week, depending on our comments and the feedback that I get, I'll go deeper into whichever model that you're interested in the most. Make no mistake, this is a good way to get an income stream in retirement quickly, and also build one that will bring income in the future. Guys, if you like this kind of information, again, I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. I'll see you on my next video.